What? That's awesome.
I know. I'm just recording it
That
now.
is the shit.
Look, either start laughing or I start unplugging the machine.
He's so determined. Oh, that's great.
Any of you cows,
Aw.
crows, or ducks have any questions, don't be afraid
That's
to ask
awesome.
me. I'm just like all of you.
That would make an awesome little GIF image, dude.
Yeah.
it was.
Fucking cat climbing.
Thank you. I hope you enjoyed our production of
Oh,
Let's send this to America's Funniest Home Videos.
So what do we end up going with? You want to call my
It'd be awesome.
That's
to
part of
hang
the
a piece
keep
of cheese.
doing it.
Hang a mouse in front of him.
I just let him keep doing that. Can't reach. So close.
There's one more contestant.
Is that Kenny? I think.
How does it look from that side? 'Cause it looks a lot different from over here.
It just looks like he's yearning for something.
Must get camera. Stop taking pictures.
Now he's just like, what the fuck you laughing at?
Alright, I'll give up. I'll stop. It's all good.
Aw.